Hello, my name is Adriana Vázquez Becerra. Reading aloud. Wicked plans. My plan for this weekend will be to spend it with my family because we have the birthday of on my aunt. What is my job? I work as a teacher in a kindergarten in the city where I live with children aged 3 and 5 years old. What sport do I practice? Occasionally I like to practice volleyball because it has always been my favorite sport and for which I went to many cities to compete. Which country would you like to travel to? Okay, I would like to travel to the USA because my father and sister live here, what I haven't seen for a long time. Thank you.